So hello and welcome friends to our channel Intro Mech, where we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So guys, whenever we design any kind of machine, we have to look for different parameters, and sometimes when we design the machine we have to look for some electrical parameters, some civil parameters, let's say some mechanical parameters or metallurgical parameters. We require some mathematics, so we have to work on these different parameters. We have to search different formulae because we do not get all the things at one place. We have to search a lot, we have to do some manual calculation, and that takes a lot of time. So for, we have a solution for this which is called as calculator age, and we will get all these parameters at a single platform. So without wasting time, let's check it out. Just type calculator age on the Google and you will find this link. Just click on that, it will open, and this is totally free. You can see the calculator age. There are general, civil, optical, mechanical, plastics, metallurgy, electrical, electronics, chemical. So you name the stream and the data is available on this site, and it can translate the all data in these different languages: French, Russian, and many other languages. So this is also advantage of this one. So let's check it out. Some of the models in this one. So you can see the general, we have volume, pressure, mass, then speed, distance, things. Then in civil engineering we have different parameters. Optical engineering is there in. And let's check out the mechanical engineering. So in mechanical engineering we have refrigeration, pressure, spring constant, then airflow, stress, torque, cantilever beam, lip spring. So all these things are available. So let's check out cantilever beam. So here you have to give all these parameters and the stiffness will get calculated directly. So let's check out another example. We have let's check another example: vehicle speed. So you have to type the outer diameter of the wheel and the RPM of the axle. So you will get this vehicle speed in kilometer per hour, miles per hour. So there are small things, but those come very handy sometimes. So metallurgical, electrical engineering is also covered over here. If you want to calculate some electrical parameters, you can use these tools. Then we have electronics engineering over here, and chemical engineering is there. Some physics is also there. We can find RMS values, wire parameters, then ceramics, oil and gas. Structural engineering, there are a lot of parameters for beams and all those things. And finance is also available. So if you want to find out some other parameters related to the finance, that can also be calculated. Let's say your vehicle loan payment or retirement savings, or buy or rent a house. So you have to put all this data and it will calculate it and show you. So this is how this tool is very important, and you can find many different parameters on the same site. So if you want to change the language, you can also change it. Let's say I want it in French, so just click on that, all the data will get converted into French. So this is very useful tool, and you can use this tool for some simple calculations. And that's it, guys, for the today's session. I hope you got some new information and new knowledge. So if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section and we can discuss over there. Until then, keep intro making. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.